Hey guys, so tonight we are hanging out with some friends of ours. We met them at the Fulltime Families rally last month, and they're also YouTubers, and they are going to give us a tour of their RV.
Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Family's family road trip.
Look at that sky.
The RV comes with the sunset.
It is I believe a 2010 Winnebago Sightseer. It is, I think she said 33 feet. And it's got two slides, one on this side and one here. One thing that I'm always jealous of Class A's is all of these things, like all this under storage. Look at that, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go to the other side. And then even in the slide you can see them. I would love to have that kind of extra outside storage. Alright, let's go take a look inside.
We're here with Valerie and she is going to give us a tour.
Hey guys, so it's not much. It's our 33-foot home and we love it. And here's your wonderful living room. We have kept everything pretty much as it came in 2010. We bought it used in 2016 and we've had it now for almost 2 years. So we like it. There was a chair right over here by the door that we got rid of, and in its place we've put storage for the shoes and we keep our heater there. And then both of these chairs swivel around so you can have extra seating, and we found that we needed the storage there more than we needed the seating. It's just the four of us, so it works well. We've talked about taking this bench dinette out because it's pretty lame and old. But we use it for seating when the kids are riding with us in their car seats, so we kind of have to keep at least one bench. So eventually we may take out this bench and put some other chairs around. Who knows? Tiny fridge, our tiny kitchen. But it does have the flip top there at the end, which gives you a little extra counter space, which helps when you're grilling. And then there's enough room for your Instant Pot. And we bought an induction top because it's often hard to find propane and we have a small tank. So it helps to relieve the pressure of having to always have propane on our vehicle. So we just got the induction top at IKEA and it works wonderfully. So we use it all the time now. Beauty fridge. This is where we always hang our trash. And then here are the kids' sleeping areas. And this is where Ethan sleeps, and he's all Pokemon'd out with stickers, so that's how we let them decorate. And then they have a little bit of room for toys. And then we bought these little zip-it beddings. So they put on like a fitted sheet, and then all of their beddings enclosed because they used to drag their blankets all over the RV and make forts and make a mess. So this has helped with that problem quite a bit. And then our lovely tiny bathroom. It's small, but it gets the job done. We found out that not all vinyl is treated equally, and we now have some repair to do on our door. And we love the bedroom. I know it seems small for a lot of people that are still living in a home, but here we've got a king-size bed, which is awesome. And we've got storage next to Tom's side of the bed, and storage next to my side of the bed, storage above, and we've got all of this storage here. And Tom was able to take a piece of wood and some cabinetry hardware, and we made a little pull-out desk for him so he can work here at the computer and use the TV here as a second monitor. So this functions most of the time. He works from the RV. He has a corporate job and he clocks in the morning, and when he's finished at the end of the night, he shuts it all down, and then I get my turn on the computer. So again, it's a small space, but it functions well, and we like the idea of having the bunkhouse versus just having to fold down benches or fold down the table and try to make bedding that way. This is great because it is their space. It belongs to them and they have to keep it up. So.
And how long have you guys been traveling?
Almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in July.
And what's your YouTube channel?
Our YouTube channel is Fouralifetime. It's the number 4 spelled out, F-O-U-R, a lifetime. And we also have a website. You can check that out too.
So check them out. Thanks for showing us around.
Thank you.
So step 2 of the funness. We have friends. And then the next fun thing is that we're all together.
Wait, you just said Grandma draw like the hammer gun.
And the last fun thing,
Grandma.
I'm putting on a special surprise for everybody. Done. Love, bye, Rachel. Bye bye. This is almost for a lifetime. Bye bye.